Not every chess game ends in checkmate. Some end because the rules say so. Some end because both players agree there's nothing left to fight for. This is every way a chess game can end in a draw, stalemate. The most misunderstood rule in chess: the king isn't in check, but it's the player's turn, and every single legal move puts the king in check, or there are no legal moves at all. That's not a loss, it's a draw. This is the reason stalemate matters so much. A player with an overwhelming advantage, a queen and a king against a lone king, can accidentally stalemate their opponent. One careless move and a completely winning position becomes a draw. Beginners do this constantly when they're far ahead. They push the enemy king into a corner without giving it a single legal move, and the win disappears. Threefold repetition. If the exact same position occurs 3 times in a game with the same player to move, either side can claim a draw. It doesn't have to be 3 times in a row. The position just has to happen 3 separate times at any point in the game. This rule exists for one of the most useful defensive resources in chess. If you're losing and you have a way to repeat moves, you can force a draw instead of a loss. A queen giving check from the same squares over and over with no way for the king to escape isn't just a perpetual check. It's also threefold repetition in action. Strong players track repeated positions carefully. Sometimes the safest path through a dangerous position is simply going back to where you started. The 50-move rule. If 50 consecutive moves pass by both players, without a pawn move or a capture, either player can claim a draw. This rule exists because some endgames have a winning side with extra material, but no actual way to convert it into checkmate. A king and bishop against a lone king, for example, can never be won. Without this rule, a player could shuffle pieces forever, refusing to admit the position is a draw. The 50-move rule forces the issue. If you can't make progress, a pawn move or a capture, in 50 moves, the game is automatically drawn. Insufficient material. Sometimes there simply isn't enough left on the board to deliver checkmate. No matter how the pieces move, king against king, automatic draw. King and bishop against king, automatic draw. King and knight against king, automatic draw. None of these combinations can force checkmate, even with perfect play. A lone king simply can't be trapped by that little material. Draw by agreement. The simplest way a game ends without a winner. One player offers a draw. The other accepts. The game ends. No rule required. This usually happens in positions that are completely balanced. Equal material, no real winning chances for either side. At the highest level, players agree to draws in positions that look complicated to anyone watching, because both sides know exactly how the position resolves with perfect play. At lower levels, this should be used carefully. Offering a draw too early gives away a position you might have been able to win. Stalemate, repetition, 50 moves, insufficient material, fortress, agreement. 6 ways a chess game can end without a winner. Knowing them is the difference between losing a draw and drawing a loss.